Are you a Python beginner? Are you struggling to improve your coding skills and afraid of making common mistakes? Fear not. Here are 10 essential tips to help you improve and avoid those pesky errors. Tip 1. Practice makes perfect. Code every day, even if it's just a few lines. Consistency is key to becoming a great Python coder. Tip 2. Understand the fundamentals. Mastering fundamental concepts like data types, loops, and functions will help you write better Python code. Tip 3. Write code for others. Writing code others can understand will help you write better code. Don't assume others will understand your code as well as you do. Tip 4. Learn from others. Read other people's code and try to understand why they wrote it the way they did. Tip 5. Use comments. Documenting your code using comments will help you and others understand the code better. Tip 6. Debug effectively. Learn to debug your own code and use the appropriate debugging tools for Python. Tip 7. Write test cases. Writing test cases can help you identify bugs early on and ensure your code functions properly. Tip 8. Embrace new features. Python is constantly evolving. Keep up with new features and use them in your code. Tip 9. Optimize code. As you become more experienced, learn to write efficient code that uses fewer resources. Tip 10. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and use them to improve your coding skills. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tips and tricks.